What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, a brand that I love down, that I have been rocking with since about like what, 3 years now. They actually reached out to me and they decided to send me some products. So can you guess which brand it is? KUZA Indian Hemp. If y'all don't know, or if y'all are my new subscribers, I've been using their greases for three years now, and I've always purchased their products and stuff like that. So they decided to send me some. Now their grease is the main thing that I use, the KUZA Indian Hemp grease, and also the KUZA Chebe grease. Those are the two things that I use from their brand, but they also have other things, so I'm going to show y'all today in this unboxing video. I'm not going to use them because my hair is in mini twists and we're still looking good with that. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that I requested was the black castor oil edge gel. Okay. So this is the KUZA Jamaican Black Castor Oil infused with coconut oil anti-breakage edge gel. I don't really have any high hopes for this, especially because it's summertime. Well, I don't have any high hopes for any edge gel because it's literally summer. 90-degree weather, like, no ma'am. That's why I'm so glad it's about to be fall. But this is what it looks like. It kind of melted because again, it's hot as hell outside. So it kind of melted in transit, but this is what it looks like. Y'all know a trick that I like to do for my edge controls is I like to keep them in the refrigerator. So yeah, put your edge controls in the refrigerator so that they can have some hold, okay? Especially in the dead of the summer, like it's too hot for this shit. The next thing I decided to get was the KUZA Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I got extra dark. You can put this on your skin or your hair, and I like a product that is multi-use. So yeah, that's really good. If I don't have any lotion or if I run out a day, I can just use this and lather up. And I just used this on my TikTok live. Follow me on TikTok. My TikTok name is Kyla Latrice 98, and this rejuvenates and replenishes. One thing I will say about Jamaican Black Castor Oil is I love it, but it's very thick. So if you are a type 3 girly, do not put Jamaican Black Castor Oil on your hair because it's too thick for you. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is for my type 4 girls. My type 4 girls and my type 4 girls only. If you use this and your hair is not type 4, this is gonna weigh your hair down because it's just super thick. Like, y'all don't need this. This is strictly for girls that have type 4 hair. Okay, so this is extra dark, and the reason why I decided to get extra dark is because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna do something to my hair, the nutrients and stuff like that. And last but not least, we have the KUZA Jamaican Black Castor leave-in conditioner. This is a decent amount of leave-in conditioner. You get 16 fluid ounces. So for any of my girlies that are in college and you don't really live near a beauty supply store, or you don't live near a store that caters to our hair, if you know what I'm talking about, like let's say you're going to college out of state and there are no beauty supply stores around you, definitely make sure you are getting products that come in bigger sizes so that they can last. And this is nice and thick in consistency as well. As you can see, it's really nice and creamy. Smells really good. Smells really good. This, you know that Eco coconut gel? That's exactly what this smells like. And it's so nice and creamy, which makes sense because it is infused with coconut oil as well. So that's where that coconut scent comes from. Yeah, so this has Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, and argan oil. And it's infused with coconut oil. So really nice, really thick, really creamy. Looks really good. I cannot wait to use these on some mini twists. For those of you that don't know, I'm about to start school, so I need to do styles that are going to last me for a minute, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do like protective styles, because my main focus is not gonna be my hair. My main focus is gonna be school and studying and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing protective styles, mini twists, braids, stuff like that. So, and it's also good because I'll be able to grow my hair in the process. So yeah, for the next 24 months, my hair is not gonna be my priority. I'm just gonna say that right now. Like, it's not. So yeah. Let me see. So this says it's good for all types and it's good for all hair types and textures, safe on color treated hair, for optimal results. Use KUZA scalp and hair for long lasting styles and luster. Okay, and they are in Brooklyn, New York. I didn't know that. So yeah, the reason why I picked these particular products is because I haven't used these, and I have, like, you know, brands typically send you like shampoo, conditioner, but I have enough shampoo and conditioner. I don't really need that stuff, and I wanted to try like the core products, because shampoo and conditioner, I don't know, like shampoo and conditioner, it doesn't wow me, because is this shampoo gonna clean my hair? Is this conditioner gonna condition? And for the most part, all shampoos and all conditioners pretty much work the same, in my opinion. Like there hasn't been one conditioner where I'm like, oh my god, this is so good, unless it's a clarifying conditioner. Like, are you gonna get my hair squeaky clean? You know what I mean? So I was like, you know what, I have enough of that, so let me go ahead and pick what I want. So this is why I decided to pick these products, because they're the core products. Moisture for my wash day is always key, so I want to know, when it comes to a brand, is your leave-in conditioner gonna moisturize my hair? Is your oil gonna do what it's supposed to do? Is your edge control gonna do what it's supposed to do? Granted, I will, like I said, I'm gonna give the edge control a little bit of grace because it's 95 degrees outside. So yeah, but come like the colder months, September, October, November, December, I'm definitely going to be using this edge control. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, KUZA, for thinking about me and seeing my videos, because they actually hit me up on Instagram. They was like, we've seen your videos, so we want to know if we could send you some products. So I was like, oh, they also sent me a shirt too. They sent me a shirt, but the shirt is in the dirty clothes, because I don't wear shirts unless I wash them, because yeah, I don't wear shirts unless I wash them. So yeah, y'all, they also sent me a shirt as well, so I'm looking forward to using these products. Definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. We hit 40K on TikTok. Congratulations to me. And yeah. Oh, I also have a new uploading schedule, so I will not be uploading daily or like I won't be uploading like that. So my new uploading schedule is every Monday and every Friday, and I set it like that so that you can get a video at the beginning of the week, and then also so you can get a video at the end of the week. So I'm gonna be uploading every Monday, every Friday, because I'm gonna be in school. That's gonna be a lot. So I was like, I gotta do what I gotta do. If you rock with me, you rock with me. If you don't, I understand. You can definitely unsubscribe if that's something that you're interested in doing. But I've been dedicated to my channel for a couple years now. So, and I've been uploading like every day, every other day. I haven't I've never like not uploaded. So if you're gonna not rock with me simply because I'm in school, I don't really know what to tell you. So yeah, every Monday and every Friday you'll get a video from me, and yeah, bye.